Is it possible to use a phone as a walkie-talkie without an internet connection?
Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to be discussing a very intriguing topic. Is it possible to use a phone as a walkie-talkie without an internet connection? This is a question many of you have asked, and we're here to provide the answer.
What is a walkie-talkie?
Before diving into our main topic, it's essential to understand what a walkie-talkie is. A walkie-talkie is a handheld, portable two-way radio transceiver, which allows for direct communication between devices. Unlike cell phones, which need cell towers and internet connections to send and receive signals, walkie-talkies communicate directly via radio frequencies.
Can phones work like walkie-talkies?
So, can your everyday smartphone function like a walkie-talkie? Yes, it can. But it's essential to note that it won't work exactly like a traditional walkie-talkie. With some limitations, your phone can mimic walkie-talkie functionality.
How to use your phone as a walkie-talkie without internet?
The magic word here is offline communication apps. These are apps that allow for communication between devices without requiring an internet connection. They do this by creating a peer-to-peer Wi-Fi network or using Bluetooth between nearby devices. Some apps also support communication over radio frequencies if your phone has the necessary hardware. The catch is, these apps will only work within a limited range, typically around 100 meters for Bluetooth and up to a few hundred meters for Wi-Fi Direct, dependent on the environment and interference.
Are there limitations?
Yes, there are some limitations. Distance is the main constraint here. Traditional walkie-talkies can reach up to miles, which offline communication apps can't. Also, these apps will require both parties to install and set up the same application on their phones. Moreover, unlike traditional walkie-talkies that use dedicated frequencies, these apps depend on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, which can get congested in certain environments. So, there you have it. It is possible to use your phone as a walkie-talkie without an internet connection, albeit with some limitations. Remember, these solutions may not replace professional walkie-talkies, especially in terms of range and robustness. But in a pinch, they could certainly provide a useful way to communicate over short distances when you have no internet connection. Remember to experiment and find out what works best for you. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, stay curious and keep asking questions.